Everyone. It's Kristen with Gunderson's Bookkeeping. How the heck are you this morning? I am coming to you today with having daily metrics in your business and how do you measure them and what are they good for? And we're going to give you one solid, good daily metric on how to measure your cash flow today. So if you are on the replay, go ahead and do hashtag replay. Go ahead and share this out. We would love to have more people know about our weekly business coaching. We hope that it's informational for you and that you're getting value out of it. Okay, so you need, I would say, 2 to 3 really good daily metrics to be able to measuring how your company is doing, okay? And you want to be able to measure how your business is doing daily and look at it daily for that you can see any trends that are happening and know when to be able to forecast things. And actually, I will give you 2 good daily metrics that you can be implementing in your business tomorrow or today, okay? So the first one, you can track how many phone calls come in through your business. So like the day before. So like start keeping track of your daily phone calls today, and tomorrow, let's start an Excel spreadsheet or put it on a whiteboard, I don't care, and start measuring what your daily phone calls are for each day. There have been businesses that have been able to tell, like, oh, if they have 1,000 phone calls coming in the day, that in 3 months from now they're going to have X amount of sales. And how they do this is because they know by looking at these metrics daily, you can tell by how many phone calls are coming in, how many of those phone calls are turning into prospects or leads, and then you can figure out what percentage of those prospects and leads are turning into actual sales, which turns into money flowing into your business as an accounts receivable, cash coming in. So if you can get really good at looking at a few of these metrics daily, you can know where your business is going and what you need to do to get your business to where you want it to be. You can also go and Google financial ratios or business ratios. There's hundreds, there's thousands of other metrics out there that you can be measuring. Another really good one is to be able to measure your cash capacity in your business. Okay, so what you do is you take your current cash on hand, and you divide it by your accounts payable and your payroll for the next 60 days, okay? So once you have that number, start keeping track of it daily. If the number falls below a 1, you have weak cash flow in your business, okay? And you need to start doing something about that. If you are in a range of 1 to 3, you have positive cash flow and you are in a healthy state right now. If your number is above a 3, woohoo, that is fantastic. However, you are actually bloated on your cash. So you need to start investing into interest-bearing accounts, or maybe there's some like capital investments that you want to be doing on your business. Now is the time to do that. So by just taking a look at your cash capacity daily, you'll be able to know if you're having a strong season ahead of you, or if you need to maybe up your sales to get the call numbers in, which will turn into customers in, say 60 days. So those are just a few examples that you can be using to keep track of your business on a daily basis. And you want to get 2 or 3 just very simple metrics to be able to gauge your business, because you want to know the current health of your business. You want to be able to accurately predict the future of your sales, the future of your cash, and inventory. Those are all things that are really important to business owners. Another thing that you could be doing is figuring out the morale of your employees or your customer satisfaction. Those aren't as easy numbers to be able to gauge, but I'm sure that you can find ways to do that. That may simply be by how many referrals that you're getting in. So do yourself a favor and start keeping track of your daily metrics daily starting today. And let's start, whatever you measure, whatever you track, you can measure. And whatever you measure, you can be making improvements on, and you know how you're doing, okay? So I hope you all have a great day. If this was valuable to you, go ahead and share this. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. We would love to be able to help you all out. Have a great day. Bye.